Working on this fiber optic light source for a microscope. It's got this shutter here that's mechanically coupled into here. You can see back here in the back. And if you look very closely, you can see there's little holes, apertures, and they go from large to small. And the problem is it's come out of a register. Somebody's cranked on it, the knob, and made it go out of register. So I'm going to see if I can align that back. And the way to do it, there's a coupler right there. You can loosen that screw, the set screw, and then rotate the shutter so the holes line up. So you can loosen this set screw here on this coupling shaft, and allows it to rotate, and then you can get the switch in the proper detente. And you can see back here how I can just rotate that around. I want to get it centered in that, right in that hole. So I'm going to tighten it a little bit. Working on the fiber optic light source here. This one's got a shutter here that's mechanically coupled. You can see it operating back there. There are tiny holes that it selects. And it's coupled through the shaft here to the front. See the shaft rotate. Right there's a ball bearing with a spring on it. And that helps establish the set positions here. And in this case, it had gotten dirty, and it was being forced. I just cleaned it out and lubricated it, and now it's working smoothly again. Again, on this light source, you can see this connector here. It's got a latch built into it, and it clicks into this hole here. So when you plug it in, you can hear it lock. It won't come out unless you release this tab. Pretty nice. This thing's well made. And what's going on in there?